Howdy y'all. I've subscribed to these subscription boxes that I've been wanting to get out here and tell you guys more about. I actually have here today a subscription bag. It's the January 2020 IPSY Glam bag. It's a monthly $12 subscription bag. This is the lowest level bag that I have here. They do have higher level bags that cost just a little bit more, but we just getting started, so all we can afford is this $12 bag. This is all we can afford to take a chance on. So I've already opened it. Actually kind of tried a couple of the products in here. I'm just gonna be honest. I've had it for a couple of days and I was so excited to get it, and I did want to try some of the products really quick. So as I'm talking, I'll tell you what I tried, I'll tell you what I didn't, but I'll also tell you what I think of the things that I tried. So just bear with me here. The first thing that I'm gonna pull out of this bag is the bag. You can keep it, you can give it away, you can fill it up with all type of toiletries. It's a really nice, neat bag. Inside of this bag is a card here. See that? So it has a lot of information in there on the products that are inside of my bag. And if that's backwards, which I hope it's not, it looks backwards to me, I guess I'm gonna hurry up and just get it out of your face, because I don't like people putting stuff up inside my face that I just can't really even see. So we'll just go ahead and we'll pull out the first product, the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. You guys see that? I'll try to focus it as much as I can. I think I might have just a little bit too much light on it. But anyway, I've tried this product and I've been using it for the last 2 days. It's actually a pretty good product in my opinion. Doesn't lather very well in comparison to some of the other cleansers that I've used, but it certainly leaves my face smelling like blueberries. And hey, I always want to smell good, and I'm always looking for something good to smell, so I really couldn't complain about it. But in general, it's just a regular cleanser, you guys. It also says that it is a gentle 3-in-1 makeup eraser, cleanser, and mask. I didn't use it to erase my makeup because I have my own regimen that I use for removing my makeup at night, and I just didn't want to use a lot of product just trying to try something new. But I will say that it worked well as a cleanser. Once I finished using it, my face was pretty tight, y'all. It was pretty tight, so I would say that it probably works pretty good as a mask. My face was pretty, hydrated. I did use it today, and as you can see, I'm a little bit oily or whatever, so it certainly didn't strip me of any oils. And so I'll give it, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'll give it about a 4, just because I've used a lot of cleansers, and this one is okay, but I've definitely had better. The next product that I have here that I want to show you is just a liquid eyeliner from a company called IPSY. I don't know much about this liquid eyeliner. Let's see if we can go ahead on and we can kind of swatch it here. Oh yeah. Y'all see that? That might be some good stuff here, because I was fooling around with another eyeliner that I got from another bag that I'm not going to give a review on, but the eyeliner that I got, it was a Kat Von D eyeliner, and I just was not all that happy with it. I don't know if it was a little bit dry or what, but it just wasn't doing what I needed and wanted it to do. It certainly wasn't this pigmented when I put it on my eyes, and I kind of like a liquid eyeliner that just kind of glides right across there, so I can go and get it done. I don't like to play, and I'm not an artist. I don't like to draw. All right, but also inside of this bag, I have this H2O Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream right here, okay? And I did receive a gel like this last month. It was really good. It was made by the same company, came in the very same tube. I almost thought it was the same thing, but my understanding is this one is a cream and not a gel. I'll hold it up right here. I haven't opened it yet. I'm not going to open it yet because, like I said, I'm already using one product from them. And so far, I've been pretty impressed with it. When I want a nice matte look, it really does well under my makeup to help me to keep that matte look without getting too oily or looking too shiny. So I also got this little gimme brow right here. In the shade Neutral Deep Brown 4.5 from Benefit Cosmetics. Can you see that? That's real easy to see. Now, I'm going to go and take this out the box. I've actually looked inside of this box before, y'all, and I'm going to go and tell you, it's an itty-bitty little old thing, but I guess it'll get the job done. I have not used it yet. Y'all see that? It's about as long as my pinky finger there. I haven't used it yet. Saving it for, a rainy day. Not really. Just saving it for a little bit more of a special occasion, and I don't have nothing to do but put on some makeup. But anyway, it comes with this little old bitty brush. You see that? Teeny tiny. I don't even know if that brush is as long as my fingernail, y'all, but it's a little old teeny tiny brush. And the color looks like it's something that's gonna work. I was happy to get it nonetheless, no matter how small it is. It just seems like it's something that I'm gonna enjoy. So I have that here. And the last thing that came in this IPSY Glam bag this month that I received is a makeup brush from Luxie. It's a little fan brush. I have not taken it out the pack yet. Anything like that. Let's open. I'll open it up for y'all because I am going to use it for myself. If you guys hear anything in the background, I do have a daughter. She likes to make a lot of noise. She's doing whatever she's doing, and of course I'm doing this. So hey, you know how that goes, you parents out there. Whenever you get busy, the kids get busy too. So the brush, it did feel pretty decent, y'all, but it didn't feel any different than any other brushes I use. Like I said, I am going to be using this brush. Nothing fancy, nothing for you to write home to your mama about, just your basic brush. So we'll go back through a recap of this. This Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, IPSY says that it is going for $34 at the full size. I estimate that we got about $3.14 worth of product here, and this would be considered a deluxe sample size. This is the IPSY. I don't know if I'm saying that right. If I'm not saying it right, please forgive me. But it's the IPSY Beauty Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner in Night, you guys, in Night. And it's $16. Of course, this is a full-size liner, y'all. And I probably going to start using it tomorrow because what I got going on just ain't working for me right now. This is a full-size product. The H2O Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. The full size goes for $42. I estimate that this is $8.40 worth of product right here in my hand, you guys. This Benefits Cosmetic Give Me Brow. IPSY says that the full size will retail for $24. I estimated that we got about $2.40 worth of product inside of this box, so it is a deluxe sample. And last but not least, this brush right here, IPSY says that it retails for $18. Of course, it is a full-size brush, full-size product, so it's retailing for $18. So the estimated value of my IPSY Glam bag for the month comes out to be $47.94. So they promise you about $50+ in product every month. I'm assuming that, hey, they probably consider this bag to be a part of the product to get them over that $50, and it's a pretty decent bag. It's not, I could definitely use it. So I'm pretty happy with the bag, and I'm pretty happy with everything that came inside of my bag. But you guys, if you have any questions about anything that, you know, I've shown on here today, feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to answer it in the next video. Of course, I'll do a recap on anything that I probably didn't get a chance to try now at some point, so you'll get a chance to see how these products actually did work. My mouth getting a little dry, y'all. I know I talk a lot, and I know I talk kind of fast because I'm from the South, you guys. So, and that probably doesn't mean much because some people in the South don't talk real fast. You know, some people might have a little Southern drawl, might talk a little slower than the rest. But whatever the case may be, you guys, I do appreciate you taking out the time to watch this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and put on your notification bell, you guys. Put on your notification bell, you guys, so that the next time that I upload a video that you will receive it. And I look forward to putting out more content for you in the future.